Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you all how I made this simple and easy Mother's Day edible card. Everything that I used on this card are edible. First I fold my wafer paper, then I roll and add some fondant to try to make a bouquet. I will place a link in the description box for some of the things that I used to make this card. All I did right here is just roll out the fondant. I made 3 pieces and then I twist them together. If you're gonna make any like this, just ensure that you roll out the fondant properly because you don't want it to be too thick or too thin. You can make this card with your kids at home if you wanted to. Just make it fun and engaging with them this upcoming Mother's Day. I'm sure they will enjoy making something for Mother's Day. Then I added some chocolate that I made with art. As I said before, I will place a link in the description box for you guys to see how I made them. I made them as chocolate bombs, but I didn't put the 2 pieces together. But you all will see if you decided to go and check it out on my other channel. So I was just here kind of figuring out what style I should go with, because while I was doing this card, lots of ideas was coming to my mind, so I was just placing things on the card to get the desired look for the finished product. Then I tried to add some leaves, but it wasn't what I was looking for, so I changed it. So right here I finally decided what I was going with, so I added some art to the middle of the card, and then I added my twisted rolls. I lined it up so that you can set in the middle, and then I added a next art to it. You can just play around with it a little to decide the style you want to go with. Then I added a butterfly. As you all know, we are entering into the spring season. We will be seeing a lot of butterflies in the garden, outside, flying around. I like to add butterflies to my cards because butterflies are beautiful and they can give a card some pop. See, when I was talking about beautiful, look at that butterfly flying around. Isn't that amazing? Real nice, right? Now I came back with adding the chocolate to the card, and then I add some pearls. That's the last thing I added. And guys, here is the finished product. I will place both pictures at the end of this video of both of the style that I did, so you all will see the finished product. So the pearls did not want to stick to the card. Maybe I need to get a better glue, so I ended up taking them off when I was taking the pictures. As I said before, you all will see the finished product. So guys, you can make this for any of your family members, not just on Mother's Day, but for any occasion. Just add what you like or what they like and make it fun and exciting. You will be surprised how you made them feel on their special day. So guys, this is the end of this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell the friends and loved ones about Willow's Creation YouTube channel. I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.